Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a quick how-to on how to replace the mass airflow sensor or MAF sensor. I have a 2010 Corolla and it actually works for all these years right here. So let's go ahead and hop into the how-to tutorial. But before we get started, I do want to mention I do actually have links in the description down below. You guys can go pick up this part as well as a bunch of others on Amazon, and all those links are going to be down there. I'm going to have a lot of these how-to videos on my channel in the very near future if I don't already have them up already. So definitely go check it out. I also have a whole playlist for all these how-tos for the Toyota Corolla, so definitely go check those out. But let's go ahead and get into the how-to video. Alright, so once we come into the engine bay, the part is actually going to be located right here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and zoom in on that so you guys can kind of see the whole process a lot easier. So in order to remove it, we're going to actually push down on this little tab right here. It's kind of like on the back of the plug. We're just going to push it down and wiggle the plug right off. There we go. And then there's going to be a screw located right here on this little metal piece and another screw located right there. So we're going to go ahead and pull those off, and you do want to be careful not to drop anything. Alright, so now I got the screws out. We're going to go ahead and take off the mass airflow sensor. So we're just going to lightly wiggle it out of place, and there it is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the new one and go ahead and lower it right down into place. There we go. And just add these screws back to that. And then once you get it screwed back in place, you're going to take the plug, line it up, and push it right back into place. It might make a little snap. That one kind of did. I don't know if it picked up on camera. But just like that, the project is done. Well, like I said, there will be links in the description down below so you guys can pick up that part on Amazon as well as a bunch of other parts. But if you guys did like this video, I'd definitely appreciate it if you guys put down in the comments down below what you guys think. Also hit that like button and subscribe button because there's going to be a lot more videos coming with this Toyota Corolla. But definitely thanks for checking out this video.